North Carolina is home to just over 130 Grade A dairy farms, 5 of which are state-owned research and teaching operation, and another 40 or so are farmstead or small dairy processors who make a variety of products, including bottled milk, cheese, ice cream, yogurt, and butter. Although the total number of farms in North Carolina has decreased in recent years, the volume of milk produced in the state has remained fairly steady, as our dairy farmers have continued to find ways to make cows more comfortable and productive. On average, the milk from North Carolina cows is about 4% butterfat. It takes a little over 21 pounds of milk to make just 1 pound of butter. So, let's dig in a bit more and see what dairy looks like in North Carolina. Currently, North Carolina is home to about 41,000 milk cows, and we produce over 900 million pounds of milk annually. To put that in perspective, the average North Carolina dairy farm has just under 300 cows on it, and each one of those cows produces over 8 gallons of milk every day. NC State supports dairy extension through a core team of faculty from Ag and Resource Economics, Animal Science, Crop and Soil Sciences, Food, Bioprocessing, and Nutrition Sciences, as well as 2 statewide area-specialized dairy agents and several county-level extension personnel. The core team serves as a resource for all extension agents throughout North Carolina, as well as for dairy farmers and allied industries. Current projects include research and extension efforts in utilizing technology to monitor cow health and well-being, exploring practices to increase sustainability and competitiveness of dairy farms, milk quality, calf nutrition, dairy farm business benchmarking, value-added dairy enterprise development, and marketing and policy analysis. As we begin 2021, dairy farmers in North Carolina and across the country still face extreme volatility in milk prices and thus their net farm incomes. It remains critical for folks in extension roles like mine to stay attuned to shifts in both consumer demand and the supply chain, as well as changes to policy and their effects on our producers. Above all, we are grateful for the dairy farmers we serve that are such a strong part of North Carolina's agricultural fabric. Over 28,000 jobs are directly tied to dairy in our state, and the industry contributes about $200 million to the state's farm gate receipts.